Morgan never felt like enough unless someone was watching. Every room became a stage. Every moment an audition. And every silence felt like rejection. Histrionic Personality Disorder, HPD, isn't about being dramatic. It's an illness rooted in fear, attention, and the belief that love must be earned through performance. This is Morgan's story. This conversation is a fictional dramatization. Always seek the advice of qualified medical professionals. According to the DSM-5, histrionic personality disorder is marked by excessive emotionality, attention-seeking, discomfort when not being admired, and relationships where identity becomes dependent on the reactions of others. To Morgan, attention wasn't a luxury. It was survival. Evening. Morgan enters dramatically, wearing a bold outfit, striking a pose. Morgan, look at me. Don't you see how I dressed just for you? Taylor, her partner, replies. You look nice. Morgan freezes, hurt. Nice? I went all out. You should tell me how stunning I look. How lucky you are. Her inner voice. If he doesn't admire me, then he doesn't care. Taylor says gently, I do care. Really? You look beautiful. I was just tired. For Morgan, compliments weren't wants. They were proof. Cafe. Alex sits with tea, calm. Morgan bursts in, energetic. Can we do something low-key today? Just chill. Alex asks. Morgan replies. Low-key? No. We need excitement. Drama. Life is supposed to feel electric. Her inner voice. If I'm not the center, I'm nothing. Alex says, I just want a quiet day. Morgan pouts, exaggerated. Quiet is boring. I can't be boring. She says. To Morgan, slowing down meant disappearing. Office. Morning meeting. Co-workers sit with laptops. Morgan bursts forward. Everyone listen. She shouts out. You need to hear this. This project is amazing, and you should all be excited. A co-worker says, Can we just get through the agenda? Agenda? Morgan asks, disappointed. That's boring. Where's the passion? Her inner voice. If they don't react, I don't exist. Criticism felt like abandonment. Structure felt like suffocation. Night. Morgan storms in. She says with disgust. You didn't even look at me when I walked in. Are you ignoring me? Taylor replies, I was distracted. I had a lot on my mind. Morgan tears up instantly. So, I'm not important anymore? You don't love me. You never notice me. I'm invisible to you. Her inner voice. If he is not watching me, he is leaving. Taylor reassures her. That's not true. I'm here. I love you. But I can't be your only mirror. In HPD, love feels conditional. If you're not admiring me, you must be rejecting me. Family dinner weekend. Morgan flirts with charm and volume to control the room. Her mom says, Morgan, sweetheart, you don't need to perform. Just sit. Eat with us. Morgan replies, Perform? I'm living. His brother says, You're being dramatic. Morgan, hurt, defensive, says, I'm not dramatic. I'm expressive. You just don't appreciate me. Her inner voice. If no one is watching, I disappear. Late night. Morgan sits, makeup smudged, scrolling through old texts, no replies. Her inner voice. Why won't anyone stay? Why do they always pull away when I give them everything? The performance had become exhausting. The spotlight blinding. Morgan whispers, Why isn't it enough? When I try so hard. Morgan visits a therapist. The therapist, Dr. Rivera, writes gently as Morgan talks. Dr. Rivera says to her, You're not too much. You're hurting. Those are different things. Morgan's eyes water as she asks, Then why does everyone leave? Dr. Rivera answers her, Attention is not love. Performance is not identity. Connection isn't applause. Morgan says quietly, I don't know how to exist without a stage. Dr. Rivera replies, Then let's build a life where you don't have to earn love. You're allowed to be seen without performing. A week later in Dr. Rivera's office. Dr. Rivera, You told me last week you paused before trying to control a moment. How did that feel? Morgan replies, like, I was still me, even without the spotlight. Her inner voice, maybe, I exist even when no one is looking. Progress wasn't glamorous. It wasn't dramatic. It was quiet, unseen, real. For Morgan, healing meant this. Learning she didn't have to be adored to be worthy, or dramatic to be real. Histrionic personality disorder is not a character flaw. It's a story, and stories can change. If you or someone you know is struggling, you do not have to carry it alone. Visit our website to book a session and take the first step towards healing.